official MAXIFY, and this here you type the driver download. This is why I'm search the PCL website for you. I'm like the download PCL website, and this is the PCL website click here. I'm like the download PCL website, the official website, new driver and driver quick download official website driver PC driver. But this system operation is still for Linux, and you will see operating system for version here. This is operating system for version for Linux, and I'm recommendation for you. You download a package driver, the package driver for Linux, and this here for Mac here. This here for Mac driver for that new update, and you will see the operating system version we click here. This here for Mac 12 and Mac 11 driver, and Mac 8. This is Mac 11, 11.0 driver. This is a new driver. User for Mac. You look in the video. Okay. This is for Windows. Here, therefore for Windows, this here is full hardware and software package. Therefore for Windows, you look in the system version here. This here for operating system for Windows 11, Windows and Windows 1, Windows 7, Windows 9, Windows Server. And this video yang download driver Windows 11, you click here for Windows 11 and this line is loading. And I have recommendation for you to download package driver and software package for Windows 3.04. Package much include driver. If you need download driver print and scan only, this here for driver print and scan only, not a package driver. Okay, driver much. Uh, Why am I so for making for Windows for then and I am recommendation for you to make okay. The requirement regulation system requirement Windows 11 restriction for an Korea and the the driver application you need to set up the full functionality of your product. Is here the March driver include for you. If you need to download, you click here. You see here on and I click here. You see here and click here and this here the driver button download show. If you not click here button download are not show. Okay, you click here and you click button download and driver download. Okay, if you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB driver for laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and please wait the finish driver download, and you click run as driver automatic detect the cable printer and install automatic for the cable printer. Okay, if you need install driver for the Wi-Fi, you turn on the printer to power, and you connect the printer to the Wi-Fi, and you search Wi-Fi maybe wizard search. You click menu wizard search and you connect the printer for Wi-Fi. You search IP driver and you click download driver. You click please wait finish driver download. You click run as driver automatic detect the cable, detect the IP printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link download below description. Thank you for watching.